Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and such an amazing day, sir and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Abdul Razak. My metric number is 279467. I'm from Group 2, and our topic today is manufacturing policy and growth. This is our group members, starting with me, Muhammad Izzuddin bin Abdul Razak. Next, we have Nur Atikah binti Saiful Nizam. Third, we have Nur Farah Anis binti Muhammad Nur. And last, we have Nurul Saira binti Sheikh Hamad. So today, I will explain about the introduction of manufacturing policy. Malaysia economy has changed from an agricultural to an industrial sector. Malaysia industrial industry has risen significantly since the early of 1980s. Malaysia established an industry policy in the 1980s that included the National Industry Policy and the Industrial Master Plan to improve the economy sector. Due to the technological advancement, Malaysia economic development has shifted from a light industry to a larger industry in the past. The country economy struggles to transform into higher value-added sectors. This is because actions with high added value rise the quality of a business operation, creating items, transporting things, processing client orders, and increasing product quality are examples of high-value processes. This is intended to bring in additional value to all Malaysians. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
2.0 Manufacturing Policy. In this manufacturing policy, describe the manufacturing sector policy influencing all movement of free financial flow to increase foreign investment in Malaysia because the manufacturing sector in Malaysia has a strong potential. 2.1 National Manufacturing Policy NMP. National Manufacturing Policy was participate in the manufacturing sector and mean develop the manufacturing sector and boost grow domestic income. This strategy is implemented in Malaysia manufacturing sector. The country gross domestic product GDP means reach to 25%. For Industry Revolution. Policy for Industry Revolution 4.0 is more of a manhood of commercial transformations, particularly with the manufacturing sector, which is begin distributed to some extent by the advance of a new technology that is become more common. Commercial revolution combinations a field standard with a new technology that connected by physical, virtual, and biological world to have a tremendous impact on all disciplines and business and also our economy. Industry Master Plan 2.3. Over the last 2 decades, the government has undertaken 2 industry master plans to expand and reform the industry sector. Industry Master Plan 1 from 1986 until 1995, the first industry master plan. This master plan is established the foundations for manufacturing to become the key growth sector of economy Malaysia. Main business require the potential of the internal market to enable export market at significantly cheaper rates. Hence, the strategy promotions and initiative export orientation. The manufacturing sector was further strengthened under Sector Industry Master Plan 2 from 1996 until 2005 by improving industry connections, expanding value add operations, and enhancing productivity. On August 18, 2006, the third Industry Master Plan IMP3 from 2006 until 2020 was unveiled as a blueprint for Malaysia's transition to industrial nation status. During IMP3, the service sector was more important in driving economic growth than manufacturing.
2.4 Double Taxation Agreements (DTA). A contract signed by two countries referred to as the contracting state to avoid or elevate minimize the territorial double taxation of the same income by the two countries. 2.5 If local company incorporated. The company limited by shares may be incorporated as a private company, Sdn Berhad, or public company. The company incorporation could be made by individuals who wish to form a company. 2.6 is manufacturing license application. Manufacturing license is a legal permit for a company to conduct manufacturing activities in Malaysia under the provision of the Industrial Coordination Act or ICA 1975. Upon receiving manufacturing license, the entrepreneur should fulfill the following criteria. First, paid up capital or shareholders fund equal to or more than 2.5 million. Second, manpower equal to or more than 75 people. 2.7 Investment Guarantee Agreements Policy (IGA). First, Malaysia has entered into Investment Guarantee Agreements (IGAS) which aim to promote a conducive environment for investment. Second, ensure the resolution of investment disputes in accordance with the Convention on the Settlement of Investment Disputes, to which Malaysia has been a party since 1966. The last one is Control Environment Management Policy. An environmental policy is a written statement, usually signed by senior management, which outlines a business aim and principles in relation to managing the environmental effects and aspects of its operation. A company's environmental performance can be measured by its impact on a set of environmental indicators. The last one is the environment in the company is analyzed to obtain indicators of relevant environmental conditions.
Thank you, Farah. I'm going to continue about manufacturing growth. Chemical and textile manufacturing as well as electronic, electrical and appliance assembly have all significant growth. Steel and automobile production, for example, have risen dramatically, with the latter being handled by Malaysian-Japanese joint venture. Peninsula Malaysia produce the majority of the country manufacturing output, particularly in the metropolitan district of Kuala Lumpur and the remainder of the developed zone on the peninsula western side. Manufacturing value added as a proportion of GDP in Malaysia from 1916 to 2020. For this statistic, we have data for Malaysia from 1960 to 2020. Malaysia average percentage throughout that time was 21.12% with low of 9.38% in 1963 and high of 30.94% in 1999. For 2020, the most current projection is 22.28%. Based on 157 countries, the global average for 2020 is 12.04%.
In conclusion, the manufacturing sector is the primary driver and enhancer of the transformation process in terms of manufacturing structure that adapt to the structure of manufacturing activity, which is increasing day by day in Malaysia's manufacturing sector, ensure its strength.